Still crummies everywhere, but you know.
Person
Fewer.
damage.
Slightly fewer. Oh my gosh. It never ends. It simply never ends. Cool. We're going to get the next batch, the next bowl of this stuff shortly, I think. Oh my gosh, that was too much. Okay. Whoa. I don't need that much. Ah! Yeah! This is so cool. Anytime I have a friend who's like even mildly into any yarn arts, what are they called? That's not the great word.
Fiber art?
Fiber arts. I'm always like, do you know my friend? Have you seen my friend? You gotta check this out. The coolest, or even like, okay, so my family doesn't really get the whole Pocket Monster thing. They were a little baffled, and they're not very interested in learning. Some of them, the younger generation more so, but anyone from the older generation.
That was a lot.
That's what I did too. But you take it out, you put it back, it's fine. You know, you can always scrape it. It's so much
Uncrumbed,
easier.
so.
Yeah, well, also like all of this is going back into the, into the inside layers, so it's all right. So I've gotten to visit Katzer a few times, and her home is absolutely adorned with these life-size creations.
To the brim.
It's so cool. And so, when I try to explain to family, oh yeah, I went to go visit my Pocket Monster internet friend, they're like, yeah, what are you talking about? And then I show them the photos of your place, and they're like, oh, okay. And then the whimsy is alive.
Now it seems fun.
So my cake looks short in part because it's not on a cake stand. Darn it. I have to stop saying these words. And also because I did mess up, and one of them I didn't layer it evenly, so hers is going to be slightly taller than mine. I messed up.
Damage.
Okay.
Close enough to the edge? Or should I spread it just a little bit?
Oh, that looks good to me.
All right.
Yeah, I think... Is there... Yeah, you can bring it slightly over here, but that's kind of it. Wait, what?
We love it.
Yeah, we love a short king. I like Corbeau, so
How old do you think Corbeau is?
I don't think Corbeau's old. I think... How old's... I think Corbeau is at the most early 40s, but I don't think he's so much more youthful than that. I'm going mid 30s probably.
Okay, because I was thinking
I think it's
20.
20s.
Yeah, 20.
20.
Maybe 19.
You think that he's he has this much control over Lumiose and he's a babby.
I think he is a step above child. I have had people be like, what? I don't know why I got that impression, but I did.
He has a very youthful face, and I could buy it.
And he had that whole thing about, I don't know why I'm in charge. I thought you should have been in charge. Yeah. But, people told me I was in charge. I'm going with it. I was okay.
All right, sure.
He must be young to think he doesn't deserve this yet.
That's an interesting point. I just was he's young compared to Felipe, who I call him Felipe.
Sold his soul and will never age. That's an option.
That is an option. That's
simultaneously 19 and 40 something.
I'm gonna go 37. something like 37. Oh, did we not tort this one? Oh, did we not tort these two?
Oh, because they were the top. We left them aside.
Oops. Right. Okay.
I mean,
cool.
we could just. Top doesn't need to be.
It doesn't have to be.
5-layer cake.
It just feels more whimsical. Should we really not? It feels. It'll take you 2 seconds to do. So here, I'll use this opportunity to clean our cake boards a little. So I'll leave it to you. What am I doing? I want to deal with all these crumbs. I'm there's a little piece of the good stuff. Though.
And the torture has disappeared. It was taken away.
Oh, that's true. Oh, yeah. Let me grab that. Yeah, that helps if you have that. Probably will take that
and
away
then,
and just put that down. Yeah, why am I giving you the knife this way? Yeah, blade first. That's how my friends know I love them. Is the most dangerous game. There's no good way of doing this. Let's not do this like this. I've changed my mind. Okay. All right, I said I would clean this. I don't know if what I'm doing can constitute cleaning. I have removed some crumbs. And that's got to be something. Oh no. I always was taught that too, and I always do it, except for Pocky. This time, my brain wasn't there. I couldn't do it. Normally I do. I wasn't trying to give it to her.